In this video, we'll schedule a test pipeline and review the execution report. Here's the SOS demo login test case with 4 steps, and the last run was successful. Now let's navigate to the Schedule section. No pipelines exist yet, so click New Pipeline. This opens Pipeline Management with the Schedule tab. You'll see the name field, Start Page URL, Period, Environment, Date Range, and Run Environment. All pre-filled from your default pipeline settings in Configuration. Type a name for your pipeline. You can choose real-time, daily, weekly, or monthly. We'll select daily. The start and end dates are automatically set. You can adjust them as needed. The run environment is set to Run on Server, but you can also choose Run on your agent. Click Save. The pipeline is created. Switch to Scheduled Runs to see the schedule. Here you can see the daily schedule with start and end dates. Back on Pipelines, click Edit to reopen the pipeline. Now click Add Test Case, select your test case from the list. It's added to the pipeline. You can modify the execute count and run the runs by pulling data from Excel. Click the detail icon to preview the test case steps and their input values, username, password, and the expected text, right from the pipeline view. Back on the Schedule tab, we switch the period to Real Time. Notice that the date fields are grayed out since Real Time doesn't require a schedule range. If you select Run on your agent, a hosts list appears showing your registered agents. Useful for local or on-premise runs. The Pipeline Parameters tab displays the input values. You can override them here if needed. In Test Management, you'll see the default configuration values. Script language, parallel execution, thread count, retry count, locale, browser, and platform are all inherited from configuration. You can override any setting per pipeline. Advanced settings cover logging, timeouts, and email notifications. Selenium settings let you configure browser options. Once everything looks good, click Save and Execute. The pipeline starts running immediately. You're redirected to the report page. Switch to the SOS demo login tab for the full breakdown. All 5 steps passed with detailed timing. SmartestQA captures screenshots for each step and generates a video recording. Click any screenshot to view it full size. Here's the SOS demo login page captured during execution. Close the modal and notice the video is now ready to play. Back on the Summary tab, you'll find the complete report information, the success ratio chart, and all pipeline preferences, including every execution detail, giving you a complete record of how your test was run.